In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a catalog in Shopify step by step. This process will help organize your products and enhance your store's presentation, making it easier for your customers to navigate. Now, let's dive into it. First, we begin by accessing the back end of your Shopify store. If you haven't already, log into your Shopify admin panel so we can get started. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. This area is your central hub for managing and customizing the look and feel of your store on the internet. Once you're in the online store section, you'll see another menu drop down. In this menu, find and select the option called Pages. This is where you'll manage all the different pages of your Shopify site, which is crucial for creating a clean and accessible catalog for your visitors. From there, look for the option that says Add Page and click on it. This will allow us to create a new page where your catalog will reside. After clicking, a new screen opens up with several options and fields for you to fill. At the top, click on the Title field. Choose an appropriate and descriptive title for your catalog page, something that clearly tells your customers what this page is about. This helps with both customer experience and search engine optimization, as a well-titled page is more likely to appear in search results. Next, you'll want to click on the Content area. Here you can add any introductory information or details you'd like your customers to see before they dive into your catalog. This is also a great place to add any special promotions, key product categories, or seasonal features. Now, let's make sure your newly created catalog page is visible to everyone. Click on Visibility. You'll have the option to set this page live immediately or schedule it for a future date. Choose what best fits your needs, but ensure that Visible is selected so your customers and search engines can find your page. After this step, click on Template. Choosing the right template is essential for ensuring your catalog looks professional and is easy to navigate. Shopify provides several options, so select the one that aligns best with your store's design and your customers' expectations. Finally, after all your settings are as desired, locate and click on the Save button. This action will publish your newly created catalog page, making it part of your online store. Congratulations! You have successfully created a catalog in Shopify where your products can shine. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to put these steps into action. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Happy selling!